Hello everyone, my name is John. Today, I will tell you how to set up data upload from Agile CRM on Discord. This is necessary to automatically transfer new contacts from Agile CRM to other systems. For example, in Discord, you can send message about the appearance of new contacts in Agile CRM, and you will never miss them. Now let's move on to the setup. First, you need to create a new connection. Choose Agile CRM as the data source system. Next, you need to select an action, Get Contacts New. At this stage, you need to connect your Agile CRM account to the ApiX-Drive service. In this window, you need to specify domain, login, API key or password. In order to get a domain, you need to go to Agile CRM. Copy domain from address bar. Please note that you need to copy domain without extra characters. Next, paste it into the required field in the ApiX-Drive service. Next, you need to specify the login of your Agile CRM account. You also need to specify an API key. To do this, go to Agile CRM. Next, go to Admin Settings in the Developers and API section. Copy the REST API and paste it into the appropriate field in the ApiX-Drive service. When all the required fields are filled, click Continue. When the connected account is displayed in the list, select it and click Continue. There are no additional settings for the Agile CRM system, so just click Continue. At this stage, you can set up a data filter. In this case, there is no need for this, so we also click Continue. At this stage, you see test data for one of your Agile CRM contacts. If everything suits you, click Next. This completes the Agile CRM data source setup. Now you need to move on to setting up data ingestion. Choose Discord as the data receiving system. Next, you need to select an action, Send Message. At this stage, you need to connect your Discord account to the ApiX-Drive service. Enter your username and password. At this stage, you must specify the server to which you want to transfer data. Leave all permissions checked and click Authorize to give ApiX-Drive permission to work with your Discord. When the connected account is displayed in the list, select it and click Continue. At this stage, you first need to specify the channel. Next, you need to fill in the fields with variables from Agile CRM. To assign a variable, click on the field and select the required variable from the drop-down list. Please note that you can not only add variables, but also prescribe values manually. Press Enter to move to the next line. Please note that you can specify the sender bot name from which messages will be sent. And also you can specify a direct link to the image that will be used as sender bot avatar. When all the necessary data is assigned, click Continue. At this point, we see the test data that will be sent to Discord. In order to check the correctness of the settings, click Send Test Data to Discord. Go to your personal account and check the result. If everything suits you, we return to the ApiX-Drive service and continue the configuration. On this, the data reception setup has been successfully completed. Now you need to enable auto-update. Select the communication interval, for example, once every 5 minutes. That's all. I wish you successful integration settings and good luck.